a blend of coffee from Texas. Parents went to Texas this past week, and it was cool of them to bring me something back. But as of right now, this is going to be kind of a strange video. I am filing down the little inserts right here for my GoPro, because I got a mount from this company right here. Wasn't very expensive, so like I don't really feel like getting in my car and returning it and waiting for a whole new one, because recently I haven't had a good experience with Amazon return. I paid $1,000 for this GoPro and it took them about a month to give me my refund back after I had to harass them a bit on Twitter, but it is what it is. And this is the little rig right here. I have it on my first camera actually, the Sony a6000. Currently filing it down because the little mounts won't fit and I don't want to force it into my GoPro and like possibly damage my GoPro. So it's underexposed a little bit. Just filing it down, trying to get it to be straight. Also, when I got it, it was slightly crooked, so I had to get an Allen key to offset it. I didn't fully tighten it, just so I'm able to kind of move it a little bit back and forth if I need to while I'm in Europe. And I just been filing it down, watching some F1 interviews. If you see me sweating again, it's hot as hail out here. Now let's go ahead and see if it fits after I filed down stuff a bit. And that is a no. Yeah, I don't like that. So I might have to go to Lowe's and buy like an actual metal file and maybe get in there and really shave it down. Alright, so after fixing it with the little Allen key and not leaving it fully tight like it comes from the factory, and filing it down and with a little bit of force, more than I would like to, I got it to work. So this is basically the look I'll have probably about 20% of the time while I'm in Europe. Can I recommend it from this company? Probably not, unless my copy was just like an odd one out of the bunch. But I prefer buying products from companies and they just work flawlessly out of the box. I know there's some people where it's like, oh, well, do all the things you did. Well, not everybody wants to do that. Just like those type of people that think, oh, you have a car, you should know how to fix it. No, that's what mechanics are for. I don't want to have to be a mechanic just because I own a car, you know what I mean? I just don't want to have to fix everything when they should come out of the box perfect. But gonna be keeping this. Obviously, I got it to work. Is it right for you? Not sure. It looks like it's pretty steady, made out of metal, so it's pretty rigid. And this is the view for the GoPro when it's on top of the camera. Pretty interesting. Okay, this is what it looks like on my R5. Looks pretty cool. A little more obnoxious, but I mean, it is what it is. Here we are. Overall, pretty stoked how everything's coming together. Honestly, my next thing is I gotta find a better way to charge this little bad boy right here. I'll probably find the little double charger. But yeah, I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Hopefully that video is actually about the GoPro itself.